Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to draw on photos and pictures on the Google Pixel 10. So to draw on photos and pictures, the first thing that we're going to do is select the photo that we want to draw on. So I'm going to use this one of a plant. Then we're going to press on the edit button on the bottom, select the markup tab, and here you have a few options. So you have pen, highlighter and text. So highlighter is like pretty transparent, so this is what it looks like. You can like draw a bunch of layers. Then you have the pen, which is like just fully not transparent, so you can do this to like draw circles. So maybe you want to like circle something in the picture, and well, that's pretty much it. Just draw whatever you want, press confirm on the bottom right, and then press save as copy. There we go. Now it's saved as one of the copies of this photo, and that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.